Come on. Good girl.
For nearly 17 years, Belinda Edwards and her beagle, Jazz, have been practically inseparable.
She's our first beagle and created a big love for beagles in our family.
A deep connection, beginning during a tough time in Belinda's life.
Jazz came into our life when my dad died. The next thing you know, she ended up being our dog, which made me very happy because she knew my dad. She's just very important to us.
Her love for Jazz and other animals inspired her to create the Botetourt County Lost and Found Pets group on Facebook.
I'm all about getting dogs reconnected with their families when they're lost.
That's how she crossed paths with Hayden VanBuren.
I've never turned down a call because I love doing this.
We first met Hayden in December 2025 when he showed us his high-tech tools to find lost pets from hundreds of feet in the air.
There's no one around here that does it, and in this side of Virginia, there's lots of pets that get lost in the mountains.
Since that story, business took off.
And it just exploded. I mean, I've been hammered ever since. I'd say on average 2 to 3 calls a week.
He does it with a pair of specialized drones.
This one I love because I can fly in high winds and I can fly it in the rain. Once I locate whatever I'm seeing on the thermal, I turn my spotlight and I switch to the regular cam to zoom on in to see what I'm looking at.
Hayden sweeps an area where the pet was last seen. He covers up to 1,500 acres in 2 hours, sometimes finding pets that have been missing for days in mere minutes.
All the pets I found, the owners that tell you, I scream, "I found it!" That's how I am. I get so excited. I mean, that's the best part is when I see the animal in my drone screen.
Belinda caught wind of Hayden's success, and it wasn't long before she saw his skills in action to locate a dog that had been lost for 2 weeks.
He put the drone up in the air and it wasn't 5 minutes, it was 2 minutes. He found Tinkerbell laying behind a log.
But then, the unthinkable happened on February 12th. In the dead of winter, Jazz went missing on Belinda's 60-acre property.
We were running the four-wheelers all over the place looking for her. It got to be late. I just started to panic a little bit because we have predators here and because it was so cold outside. So I called Hayden.
This is footage from that rescue.
It was a really cold night.
For a 17-year-old dog that already has trouble walking, the weather made the situation even more dire, not to mention the local wildlife.
Another fox, oh my goodness, a lot of foxes.
Finally, after searching the freezing dark for about 15 minutes, Hayden noticed a small heat signature in a field.
Saw a white glowing dot on my screen. I was like, that's her.
Here she is. She's laying in that brushy.
Instant relief for Belinda, who you can hear on the rescue video.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Hayden.
I love helping others, seeing the pets get reunited back with the owners. It's a blessing.
Even 15 minutes can feel like 17 years when your baby's missing.
You're just thankful, because they're members of your family. But when they get to be this old, they're also like little babies again.
In Botetourt County.
And so it was just like finding a lost child, really, and it's invaluable to me.
I'm Logan Sherrill, sharing this heart of our hometowns.